The best dash cams give you the peace of mind that any incidents in your car will be recorded for posterity. For anyone that's dealt with the immense headaches of navigating the legal system after an accident where fault is at issue, the value of a dash cam is self-evident. They can not only save you huge amounts of cash but, in the long run, be critical for preserving your driving record and avoiding points on your license, and is also a boon in insurance terms. The major advantages for rideshare drivers are also obvious, but for anyone who spends a fair amount of time on the road, a quality dash cam is a wise investment. Number 1. Chortau Dual Dash Cam System. The Chortau Dual Dash Cam System is the perfect choice for those looking to record both the front and rear of their cars while driving or parked. The rear camera is waterproof to protect it against the elements, and it also has 4 infrared LED lights for superior night vision while reversing or recording the road behind you. The rear camera also acts as a backup guide camera for parking and maneuvering. The front camera has a 170-degree wide-angle lens, and the rear camera has a 130-degree wide-angle lens to reduce blind spots. Along with the lithium-ion backup battery, this dash cam system uses a supercapacitor for reliable operation in extreme temperatures, from -86°F to 158°F. Both cameras shoot in full 1080p HD at 30 frames per second for ultra-clear video at high speeds. The body of the front camera features a compact design, and the 3-inch LCD display has a screensaver mode for distraction-free driving. Number 2. Rove R2-4K. GPS information can be a great asset when recording traffic footage. The Rove R2-4K dashcam has a built-in GPS that embeds location and speed information in its recorded video to help keep you protected in the event of a collision or accident. It connects to Android and iOS smartphones via built-in Wi-Fi and a dedicated app that makes it easy to view, download, and share recordings. You can integrate Google Maps with the Rove app to sync your driving plans with your recordings. The camera shoots video in 4K ultra high definition with a 150-degree wide-angle lens. It also has a low-light sensor for clear recording at night and in low-light environments. You can create time-lapse video to show a series of events, and you can also shoot in slow motion for critical moments like impact or other traffic accidents. There is a built-in 3-axis G sensor that automatically powers on the camera when parked and locks footage for archive. Rove offers a 1-year warranty with Chicago-based customer support. Number 3. Vantrue N2 Pro. With ride-sharing services becoming a bigger part of our lives, it's important for drivers to keep themselves protected in case of an accident or customer complaints. The Vantrue N2 Pro dashcam is designed with ride-sharing service drivers in mind. It has a front-facing camera to record traffic and a rear-facing camera to record the interior of the car. The rear-facing camera has 4 infrared LED lights for clear recording at night and in low-light environments. Both cameras shoot video in full 1080p HD to capture crisp details. The dashcam system can be set to automatically turn on with the car's ignition, and the LCD display has an auto-off feature for distraction-free driving day and night. The system also has a built-in microphone to record audio from the car's interior. You can create time-lapse video to show a series of events, and the motion sensor protects your car while parked. Vantrue offers an 18-month warranty with 24-hour email support. You can also purchase an optional GPS system to integrate with the dashcam for greater protection. Number 4. Garmin Dashcam 66W. If you're looking for a compact dashcam that won't draw attention, consider the Garmin Dashcam 66W. It fits easily behind your rearview mirror and is likely not to be noticed by anyone. The Garmin brand has done a fantastic job with the 66W. The video screen has a wide 180-degree view and records 1440p videos, which can save onto a micro SD card. Thanks to the GPS, you can also pinpoint exactly where the footage was taken. We love the voice controls, perfect for when you're on the road, and the dashcam autosync can connect up to 4 Garmins together, creating a full 360-degree picture. The travel-lapse feature, like a hyperlapse, is a fun way to create short video snippets of long road trips. It would be nice to see the 66W with a touchscreen, rather than control buttons, but overall it's a top choice from Garmin, a trusted navigation brand. Number 5. Nextbase 422GW Dashcam. The Nextbase 422GW is an impressive dashcam that stands out for its stylish and functional design. An HD touchscreen makes it easy to control, and the device can be easily paired with rear cameras, giving you the full picture. In addition to the touchscreen, the dashcam can be controlled via Alexa or by the app on your smartphone. Alexa can also be used for directions, making calls, or playing music. The 422GW has an amazing safety feature. In the event of a crash, the dashcam can instantly alert emergency services, including your current GPS location. For peace of mind, this dashcam might be worth it just for this reason. As the 422GW doesn't have an infrared light, it doesn't perform well at night. If you predominantly do late or early morning driving, this might not be for you. However, it's otherwise a top contender for its intuitive design, innovative features, and compatibility with rear cameras.